Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, at the moment as you can see me is building a filter housing for the induction kit we have going to be fitting in this video. I hope you guys enjoy. It was a quite nice ram air filter. Sounds quite good with the turbo flutter now going across the road. I just come back from a little drive around and it sounds quite nice, so I hope you enjoyed the video guys.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Well, there we go. Now you can see the turbo all done. So we're going to get the stock sounds and the new turbo flutter sounds now.